Hey, have you heard? There's a lot of cool stuff happening in Design Space. Maybe you've noticed some changes, maybe you haven't. Either way, we wanted to take a little time to talk about the updates we've made and tell you why we made them. Imagine walking into a kitchen to bake a cake. Stay with us here. Now it's a cake you've never made before, but you've got a vision. It's going to be a unicorn-shaped, rainbow layered with sprinkles inside. But when you step into the kitchen, spread across the counter, you find every possible cooking utensil and food ingredient. We like to think of our new guided flows as a perfectly organized kitchen, where unnecessary clutter and guesswork are removed so you can focus on the fun stuff. Now, instead of baking a cake, you want to make a vinyl decal. So you head into Design Space and select Vinyl Decal from the drop-down. You choose a popular size, then we create a design area based on those dimensions. Think of the design area as a perfectly sized canvas. Now you're ready to start designing. Our new templates are like recipes designed specifically for your project type. Select one to make it as is, or personalize it to make it just right. It's so easy to add in a shape or swap out an image. And did you notice how when you added that image to your design area, it was automatically sized to fit? We've also made changes to how we serve up tools in Design Space. First, as you see here, we'll only show you tools relevant to the type of content you're editing. Second, we've reorganized the tool layout. For faster access, the most commonly used tools are now right below the selected content and grouped in the top toolbar. Additional tools have been moved to the More Tools panel to keep your workspace clean and efficient. It's all about reducing clutter and giving you the tools you need when you need them. If you ever find yourself wanting something hyper-personalized, something that could only come from your imagination, like a cartoon-style image of your dog dancing in a three-piece suit with a top hat, check out Create AI Images. It's our new feature that enables you to create AI-generated images to use in your designs. And it's only going to get more awesome, if you can believe it. So you love your decal design and you're ready to make it. You just really hope it looks good on your water bottle. Fingers crossed? Not anymore. Our new preview tool lets you visualize your finished project, because you shouldn't have to use your imagination to guess what your cut design will look like. Use it to dream up your next amazing idea. Now you're ready to make. We've updated this part of the process too. Some changes include suggested material types based on your project and auto attach, which means your design will cut exactly as you see it. Whether you're making a vinyl decal, iron-on t-shirt, or custom card, we want to help you get to a personalized design you love faster and easier and give you confidence to complete your project. We're thrilled to share these new Design Space features and improvements with you, and this is only the beginning. We look forward to introducing iterations on these updates as well as totally new features, so stay tuned. Anyone else craving cake now?